everyone. Marilyn Gattinella from Close to Home here in Glastonbury. I'd like to talk to you about a wonderful event that we're sponsoring on September 26th and 27th. It's called the Quilting, Sewing, and Embroidery Adventure, and it's happening at the Four Points Sheraton Hotel in Meriden. Babylock, Bernina, Brother, and Janome are our corporate sponsors. That means each company is providing sewing machines and an instructor and a choice of fabulous classes that you can take. You'll even have the opportunity to attend a one-day Anita Good Design embroidery party. That means each person will sit in front of a state-of-the-art embroidery machine and have the opportunity to take home 2 projects for themselves. Each person will take home over $600 worth of Anita Good Design products. A Laura Star representative will be there demonstrating the latest and affordable, incredible irons. The Close to Home store will feature lots of products for you to enjoy. There's a Friday night crystal party open to all participants and fantastic lunches provided by the hotel. Every student will get a goodie bag and a chance to get door prizes all day long. All of us at Close to Home are looking forward to greeting you. The event will be lots of fun and you'll learn so much from our talented teachers, so sign up soon. Call us here in Glastonbury at 860-633-0721. Operators are standing by. Thanks.